Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Qikink to Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the Shopify dashboard for my store right now. However, I'll be going over to this website right over here. This is qikink.com/shopify-integration and another / and you'll get over here. This is just the integration link, and you can just click connect to store over here, and you'll get to these steps over here. You need to sign into your Shopify account, and then you need to access the Qikink panel, which you do need to sign in to do. Then you need to go into integrations and install the Shopify app, and then you can connect your account. Now I'll sign in because I don't have an account yet. I'll sign in with Google, and I'm just going to select whichever account I want. Just click continue, and that should sign me into Qikink. Once that's done, we're going to follow these steps and actually go into integrations. As you can see, you can fill everything here for the profile, or you can go to integrations over here, go to Shopify, and as you can see, you can get the Shopify app, and you just click here to install it. And when this loads up, as you can see, you can just click install over here, and after a couple of seconds, it's gonna, install everything. You'll go over to Shopify, where you need to access or authorize the installation. Just click install. And once you do, here in your apps menu, you will see Qikink appear. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, I'm brought back to my dashboard, and I have Qikink over here. However, it's blocked, probably because it's region locked. I'm not in India, so it is what it is. But as you can see now, it's installed, and you can start using it through Shopify. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.